This is Al Ghubaiba Marine Transportation. This is one of the main marine transportation in Dubai. Hi friends, in this video I will show you the shopping of gold ornaments in the gold souk. Previous day we have paid taxi fare of 15 to 35 AED from our hotel to Dera Gold Souk. Now we are going to Dera Gold Souk by paying only 1 AED per person. This boat station is in Dubai Creek, which is few minutes walk from our hotel Westcott. Dubai travelers will must visit this market to purchase gold, as gold in Dubai is pure and usually priced lower than several parts of the world, as it is tax free. Hence, if you wish to buy gold in Dubai Gold Souk, please watch my video till the end. I will give complete information and tips for buying the gold ornament in Dubai. Dubai, called as Golden City, has always been favored for its tax exemption. It is one of the main reasons people choose to move to the city for purchasing the gold. Due to the exclusion of taxes in the emirate, prices of gold in Dubai have always cheaper, as buyers only pay for the value of the gold ornaments. Making charges on gold jewelries in Dubai. Every ornament has different making charges. Generally, bangles and chains attract the least. Making charges varies between 16 to 14% of the gold cost. There are so many shops in Gold Souk. Shopkeepers are offering zero making charges. Be careful. Don't be fooled with such misleading offers. I will show you one such example where shopkeeper offering 50% discount on making charges. We have entered the shop Joy Alucas to check the offer price, how it will be applied on the purchase. We have inquired the price for chain, earring and bangle. After discount, the shopkeeper offered making charges of 8% for chain and 14% for earring with Singapore design, which is similar to normal charges. Then we have realized this offer is only market gimmick and it is not a fair deal. Now we are going to another shop in the main road to check the price. This shop was very big and looks like Indian shop. We observed here the salesmen are from all the part of India. They are able to attend customers from North, Andhra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu by speaking their language. This is also one of the business tactics. We have checked out the price for earring of 22 carat with Singapore design. He has offered final price of making charge of 14%. But he has demanded 2% additional charge is must for payment by Forex card, which is not expected. Be careful before finalizing the deal Get confirmation from the shopkeeper of no charges will be levied for payment by card. Otherwise, buying ornament by paying 2% extra for card will be of no use. There are 100 shops in Gold Souk and beautiful design jewelries will be displayed, which we don't see in India. Be cautious. Most ornaments are of 18, 19 or 21 karat gold, not of 22 karat gold. Now we are entering Malabar Gold Jewelries. Let us check out how will be the deal in this shop. Well in advance, we got confirmation they will not charge anything extra for card payments, which is absolutely perfect. We have checked out the price for the 22 karat gold chain. He has given price breakup for gold chain with 4% making charge, which seems to be perfect. When we agreed to purchase the chain, he has reduced making charges to 3.5%, which is fair enough. We found there are no cheating in this shop. After generating the tax invoice, the shopkeeper themselves will fill the VAT refund form and process. We have nothing to do for that. In the airport, we are required to show only tax invoice for VAT refund. In the Gold Souk, we have also done shopping of gift chocolates and famous saffron. I will show you few clips of our shopping.
इधर 3 दफ़ा कट होता है। ये आता है फर्स्ट कट, लीव्स बड़ा है, लाइट स्ट्रॉन्ग पावरफुल। इसका बाद आता है सेकेंड कट, छोटा साइज हैवी। और ये जो पीला पीला है लास्ट कट फ्लावर के साथ नीचे। सबसे बेस्ट ऑफ बेस्ट सबसे पहले ये है, फिर ये नेक्स्ट ये क्वालिटी भी ऐसा। हम पानी में डाल देगा, क्वालिटी चेक करेगा देगा ठीक है सर। प्राइस ये 1 ग्राम आता है 15, 25, 35
35 दे रहा हूँ।
या डालेगा ना, ऐसा डालेगा। ये नॉर्मल पानी है, टाइम लगे कलर आना चाहिए ओके। लेकिन हमेशा के लिए जब मतलब यूज़ करेगा सेम सेम हमको करो, बिल्कुल कम। इतना देखो, इतना कितना कम है। ऐसा क्रश करो, जब क्रश करेगा मैं मीन्स लीव्स ओपन करेगा, बाद में चेक करो देखो ओके।
Now, last but not the least, how to get the VAT refund on gold shopping in the airport. As a tourist, you can claim the refund of 5% VAT at airport. This is Dubai International Airport, Terminal 2. In Dubai Airport, we are not required to show our air tickets and passport to enter inside the terminal. Soon after you enter inside the terminal, there will be VAT refund counter. Here, you have to show the tax invoice of the gold ornament you have purchased in Dubai. They will register the tax invoice and ask you to approach another counter after immigration. Please aware of the restrictions when you bring gold back to India. Avoid bringing gold biscuits, gold coins, etc. other than ornaments, which will attract the custom duty. Soon after you come out of the immigration, there is a VAT refund counter. Again, you have to show your tax invoice or bill of your purchase. They will register and ask for Visa debit card where you want to credit the amount. They will enter your card number and expiry date and register the refund like this. They will intimate amount will be refunded in 5 to 6 days. I registered on 15th March. I got refund on 21st March. I will give you some secret tips. Don't wear any gold jewelry when you are traveling from India to Dubai. While going back from Dubai, you must wear the minimal amount of gold which you purchase in Dubai. Don't keep any gold ornaments in your check-in bag or cabin bag. I will recommend not to buy much gold and wear in the traveling. Make sure you are not looking more attractive in the airport, giving room for the inspection of custom officers. If you follow these tips, your custom clearance will be hassle free. Thank you very much for watching my video.